What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to do a quick gaming review of Huawei Y9s smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also have a look on the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So these are the games that we got today here on our Huawei Y9s smartphone. The battery percentage is 74. The battery temperature is 23 and CPU temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So let's play all of these games and let's see how good Huawei Y9s is going to perform. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So the graphics quality is good and there is no lagging or frame drops. It's pretty nice as you can see here. So when the character is going out of the frame or coming back, you can see no frame drop or lagging is happening. Everything is pretty smooth. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Injustice 2 on Huawei Y9s. So let's go back from here and let's play PUBG Mobile. So here in the game settings you can see that graphics quality is selected as HD and frame rate as high. If I try to select HDR, you can see it is not available for Huawei Y9s. So let's play the game on this graphics quality and let's see how good it's going to be. So it seems pretty smooth. You can see that I'm changing the camera angles, the visual angles so quickly, and it's pretty smooth. And if you have a look on the character, the surroundings, lots of detail is there as well, especially if you have a look on the costume. When I'm changing the camera angle, you can see the reflection is changing on the shoulder pad here as well. So this is pretty good for sure. And if you have a look on this naked man, once again, lots of detail in everything. So it seems pretty smooth. There is no frame drops or lagging is happening. As you can see, like when I'm zooming in, zooming out, no lagging, no frame drop. It's pretty smooth. The graphics quality is nice as well, especially if you have a look once again on the surrounding, the grass, the plant, and the detail we are getting here on the floor and everything. It's quite good. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea about the gaming capability of this device, and it seems pretty good. As you can see, No frame drops or lagging is happening while I'm changing the camera angle so quickly. It's pretty smooth for sure. And the graphics quality seems good. Back at the same place. So let's go back from here and let's try Injustice 2 one more time. And the game is exactly where we left. So I'm just trying to give you an idea about the performance of the memory management of Huawei Y9s. So I was playing the game, Injustice 2, left the game, went to PUBG Mobile. It's one of the most high-end heavy graphics game. I started playing it, came back to Injustice 2 in like after 5 minutes or 2 minutes, whatever, and it's still there. If I go back to Injustice 2, from Injustice 2 to PUBG Mobile, once again you can see it's exactly where I left. So this is good. The memory management is pretty good, and as you can see, the gameplay is very smooth as well of PUBG Mobile, and also it was pretty smooth for Injustice 2. You can see we are getting good amount of detail here. Once again, if you have a look on this wall when I'm shooting, so this is quite good for sure. So let's go back from here. Let's close all of these games, and now let's play some other game. Let's play Call of Duty. So here in the game setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see the graphics quality is low and frame rate is medium. We cannot go higher than that because that's the highest possible graphics setting for Call of Duty on Huawei Y9s considering its hardware specs. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be on these graphics setting.
Team.
The graphics quality seems pretty good even though it's on low graphics quality. You can see how much detail we are getting in everything. It's pretty nice for sure. And there is no frame drop or lagging even though we are playing it on medium frame rate.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Hostile care package inbound.
You can see it's so much detail in everything. Get twice.
Enemy UAV spotted. Be advised, hostile Predator missile inbound.
So I lost the game, but I was just trying to give you an idea about the gameplay and the smoothness of Call of Duty on our Huawei Y9s, and you can see that it was pretty good. No frame drops, no lagging, and considering the graphics setting that was low by default, and it was still pretty good while playing the game. So if you're going to play Call of Duty on Huawei Y9s, it will be pretty smooth and nice with good graphics quality even on low graphics setting. Now let's play Shadowgun Legends. It's one of the most high-end heavy graphics game and it runs at 60 FPS. So here in the game setting you can see that we have selected ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS. And it seems quite smooth. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be in real. So the graphics quality is really nice. For example, if you have a look on the wall here, you can see how much detail is there in this broken part of wall. So good. Also, if you have a look on the sand grains here, so good. But now it's lagging so much. You can see the frame drops are happening. Now it's quite smooth. So far it's quite good. In the beginning it lagged a lot, lots of frame drops happened, but now it seems pretty nice. Let's see once again when some action is happening how good it's going to be. So once again it lagged a bit, some frame drop happened, and once action started on the screen you can see it started lagging as well. Otherwise it was pretty smooth, but the graphics quality is so good. You can see how much detail we are getting on this character here, the robot, the aliens, whatever it is. Once again a bit lagging. So the gameplay is still pretty smooth, but as you can see, like once lots of action is happening, it's starting to lag once again here. So because of that sometimes it's a bit difficult to play the game. So if you play this game on a bit lower graphics quality and frame rate like 30 FPS or something, so it will be better. But you can see like we are getting lots of detail in everything. It's so good. So I'm just gonna leave this game here and let's have a look on the battery temperature because it's a bit warm here on this part. Slightly warm, not too much, just a bit warm sensation that we will get while holding the device, that yeah, it's getting warm. So it was 38 degrees Celsius. We started obviously a bit lower temperature, but now right now it's 38. CPU is at 45 and battery percentage moved to 66 after playing all of these games for like 25 minutes. And now let's play the last game for today, and that's going to be Asphalt 9. So once again here in the game setting of Asphalt 9, you can see that we have selected high graphics quality, and now let's play the game. So the graphics quality is nice. A slight lag or frame drop, whatever happened, just a minor one. Once again, one more time. So here I wrecked my car. And then I collided my car to the other car. Once again there was a slight pause, you can say. The graphics quality is really good, as you can see here. There was slight lagging few times, as we have seen, the minor ones, not the major ones that will disturb your gameplay, but still we can say that there was slight frame freezes and etc. But most of the time it was pretty smooth, and the graphics quality was so good for sure. And once again, if I have a look on the battery status, you can see that the CPU was 54, right now it went to 49. Battery temperature is still 38 degrees Celsius. The device is as warm as it was while playing Shadowgun Legends. Not much difference. You can see CPU temperature is going down once I stop playing the game. And talking about the battery percentage, it's at 65. So we are playing all of these high-end heavy graphics games for like 30 minutes. That's the duration of this video recording, going through the settings, changing the games and all. So after 30 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 74 to 65, just 9% reduction, and that's pretty impressive for sure. The device is not getting so hot as well. It was maximum at 38 degrees Celsius so far, so it's not hot. And especially it's not only about the stat, like while I'm holding the device and touching the back panel, just a slight warm here, it will not be considered as hot actually. So if you are a gamer, not a hardcore one, then you will be happy with the performance of Huawei Y9s. As you can see that it was able to play most of these high-end games on the highest possible graphics setting that the game provided. For example, on PUBG Mobile you cannot go higher than HD, or on Call of Duty you cannot go even higher than low. So that was the highest possible graphics setting while trying to play Shadowgun Legends on ultra high graphics quality at 60 FPS. You can see that it was lagging, especially when some action is going on, some explosion firing is happening. Other than that, it was pretty smooth there as well, and the graphics quality was nice in all of these games, even on Call of Duty where the graphics quality was selected as low. So overall, considering the hardware specs and the price of this device, the gaming performance is pretty impressive. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for all of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.